Hey Chase, how's it going? Um, some things that I just want to show you really quick when thinking about these home buyers, first-time home buyers, is really what's the age and who you're interacting with. Is it male? Is it female? You don't have to answer all of these, but I'm just going to go through which ones are important. What's the usual age? Do they have children? Um, are they married? Are they living in an apartment? Apartment complex, probably, obviously. What's their annual income looking like? I imagine they're not making much and they think that renting is just better than owning a house because owning a house has a lot more expenses, which can be true in some extents. Anyways, then you think about their core desires. These people that you're targeting, these people that want to own a home, what is their core desires? Are they, do they want to be wealthy? Do they want to really provide for their family? Most people do, but they don't see owning a home as providing and building assets. And their maybe their core desire is to own a home. And then what's their core pain right here? Their core pain, well, apartment complex is much easier. You don't have to put a down payment on a home. Um, Different things like that. And then what's the solution? Well, the FHA loan, or these things, but it's just helpful to think through these, and this will be for our benefit. What's our dream customer's desires? What's their pains? What's their solution? And then what's their false beliefs about that? So if you say, oh, you can get an FH loan, maybe they say, oh, my dad said you still have to do this or that, or you shouldn't do it because of that. What's those beliefs that's limiting them from the solution? What's their false internal beliefs? Do they not feel like they're good enough? Do they feel like they can't provide if they have a home? And then what are people also telling them outside? And then, dream customer before and after. What's their situation? What's their average day? Their status? What are they angry about? Who are they angry at? And then after they own a home, does any of that change? And then second is, and then maybe this is a way you can structure it. If you want to use this, you can. If not, then don't worry about it. But what's the deliverables? What is this gonna give them? What does it make them? What does owning a home make them? Building an asset. You know, uh, a thing full of cash where they can sell out eventually or rent out. What does it save them, and how does it increase their status? What does that look like? People, they want to be known for having assets, or maybe they don't even know assets. This is just things to really think about when we're thinking about a dream client. So I'm going to send you this, go through it, and that will help you think about, okay, what should we put on the, as what's going to interest them, what's going to intrigue them, what are they going to learn, and hopefully that this will just get your mind flowing.